For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to Simply Jain and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Strawberry season is back and we can't wait to show you a new strawberry dessert recipe. So let's start making it. Step 1. Ingredients required are whipped cream, cream cheese and vanilla essence. Take 30 grams of whipping cream and whip it. In that we are going to add 50 grams of cream cheese and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. Now just whip this with a beater. Just whip it till it's well combined, otherwise the cream cheese might curdle. Take a strawberry, remove the leaves of it and then just cut the top part and the bottom part till the time it stands. And then we are just going to hollow the strawberry. Hollow it as much as you all can. This is done. Do the same thing with the remaining. Final ingredients required are hollowed strawberries, crushed digestive biscuit and the cream cheese mixture which we just made. Now take one strawberry, in that put cream cheese mixture and then just dip this in the digestive biscuit. And this is ready. Our strawberry stuffed cheesecake is ready. I hope you like this recipe. Enjoy the strawberry season with this delicious dessert.